Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Railway Junior Engineer vacancies for 2019. It's a huge opportunity for all the engineers who want to get a government job, who want to work with central government. So don't miss this opportunity. So first of all, the most important thing is that you have to fill the form within the time limits. Okay, so don't wait for the last time because in the the last date is 31st January, so it will be a huge pressure on the server, so it may get delay because most of the time these things happen. So try to fill up the forms as soon as possible. Okay, so don't wait for the last date to fill this form. It's me, Jayendra Tiwari, and this is my YouTube channel. And if you are preparing for GATE exam or for this RRB exam, you can subscribe my channel. You will get lots of updates, lots of videos on my channel regarding these exams. Okay, so let's talk about the important dates for RRB exam. This notification has come early, and online registration has been started from 2nd of January. So many guys, many students, you people have already applied for this job, and all the students who are still waiting to apply for this vacancies, so please don't wait and make as soon as possible. The last date for ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन इज 31st जनवरी. ठीक है, तो 31st जनवरी तक आपको अप्लाई कर ही देना है. एंड यू शुड बी वेरी मच अवेयर अबाउट द पेमेंट क्लोजिंग डेट्स. ऑफलाइन पेमेंट क्लोजिंग डेट इज 4th Feb, because if you do your registration, okay, then after that you have to make a payment. Okay, so for general category I think it's a 500 rupees payment. You go and see in the notification how much payment you need to make, or else when you do this your registration process, you can get to know how much payment you need to make. It's according to the categories and all those things. Okay, so closing of offline payment is 4th Feb. Okay, 13 hours में ये close हो जाने वाला है. Then closing of online payment is 5th Feb. So be very much aware about these dates. Then closing of online submission of the application is 7th Feb. मतलब आप जब रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दोगे, इसके बाद आपको एक टाइम दिया जा रहा है पेमेंट करने के लिए. अगर आप उसी टाइम पेमेंट नहीं करते हो तो 4 तारीख तक आप अपना ऑफलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं, और 5 फरवरी तक आप अपना ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकते हैं. और इस सब के बाद में आप अपना जो भी फॉर्म है आपका, उसका फाइनल सबमिशन 7 फरवरी तक कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद नहीं कर सकते. ओके, एंड योर CBT जो होगा, आपका कंप्यूटर बेस्ड जो टेस्ट होगा, उसका पहला स्टेज, फर्स्ट स्टेज विल बी कंडक्टेड इन अप्रैल और मई मंथ. ओके, सो टेंटेटिव डेट चाहिए, कुछ श्योर डेट उन्होंने अब तक दी नहीं है. सो मे बी इट विल गेट कंडक्ट in April or in May. Okay, so you have some approx 3 to 4 month time from today, so still time is there. You can do your preparation well. Okay, so you can see here the total vacancies are 13,487. It's a huge vacancies, for any government job, for central government job, and these jobs are very good actually. These RRB jobs are very good. You will get very handsome payout in these jobs. You will get approx 58,000 rupees in hand. Okay, if you become JE in railway, then you will get approx this salary I'm telling you in hand salary. Gross salary will be approx 65,000 after 7th pay commission. Okay, some your PF and taxes, some other things will be cut. Then you will get 58,000 approx salary in hand. So it is a very good salary in a government job. Okay, so you can see here the number of vacancies. Junior engineer updated vacancies 12,844. Then for IT branch junior engineer it is 29. Then depot material superintendent, that is 227. Then chemical and metallurgical assistant, it is 387. So total vacancies are 13,487. These are the updated vacancies. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about the what are the qualifications for this exam. Okay, so your age limit should be 18 to 33 years. Okay, आपको 33 साल से ऊपर का नहीं होना है इस जॉब को अप्लाई करने के लिए. And what are the qualifications? You can see here for JE, candidate should possess a diploma or degree from any recognized university. Okay, तो इसके बाद आपका जो डिपो मेटल सुपरिटेंडेंट है, उसके लिए applicant should possess diploma degree for any recognized university. देन आपका जो केमिकल एंड मेटलर्जिकल डिपार्टमेंट है उसके लिए कैंडिडेट शुड हैव अ बैचलर डिग्री इन साइंस विद फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री विद मिनिमम 45% मार्क्स. ओके, एंड फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, फोर्थ ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, they can't apply for this job. You have to get degree, you have to pass your whatever the course you are doing. तो ऐसा है, आप जो अपेयरिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं इंजीनियरिंग के वो इस फॉर्म को नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन में दिया हुआ है. ओके, देन आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हियर द फर्स्ट स्टेज सीबीटी, जो पहला स्टेज है जो अप्रैल या मई में होगा. तो उसमें क्या है, देखिए आपके जो 4 सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर: मैथमेटिक्स, जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग, जनरल अवेयरनेस एंड जनरल साइंस. ओके, सो मैथमेटिक्स, जनरल मैथमेटिक्स होगी है. सो यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस, 30 मार्क्स. ओके, सो एंड सेम वे जो आपका जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग है, 25 क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर फॉर रीजनिंग. Okay, general awareness will be there 15 questions and science will be 30 questions. So you have to prepare for all these 4 subjects during your first stage. Okay, and you will be having 90 minutes, 1.5 घंटे का टाइम होगा आपके पास इस एग्जाम को क्लियर करने के लिए. Okay, so 4 months are there, you are having sufficient time for first stage preparation. Okay, then negative marks. What is the scene for the negative marks? This is also very important. So here you see negative marks, 1/3 of the marks allotted for each question shall be deducted for each wrong answer. ठीक है, आप अगर नेगेटिव करते हैं, रॉन्ग आंसर करते हैं, तो 1/3 नंबर आपके काट लिए जाएंगे. 1/3 marks will be deducted. Okay, so this is a very good thing here. They have already declared what is the eligibility for various percentage of marks. जो जनरल कैटेगरी है, for them 40%. Okay, for OBC 30% marks, for SC 30% marks, and ST 25% marks. Okay, and they will approx 50 times students will be eligible for stage 2. So you can see here approx 30,000 some vacancies are there. So you multiply by 15, these many people will get select for stage 2. Okay, so already I have told you the tentative date है जो वो अप्रैल या मई में होगी. So you can prepare well, and I will also upload lots of lectures for RRB. I am planning to upload to start a course for RRB very soon. Okay, I will not take stage 2 right now because we are mainly focusing on stage 1 preparation. स्टेज 2 में आपका टेक्निकल का बहुत सारा पोर्शन पूछा जाता है. ओके, स्टेज 2 में 50 मार्क्स का होगा, उसमें से 100 मार्क्स विल बी प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन द टेक्निकल एग्जाम, टेक्निकल प्रिपरेशन. ओके, सो these were the important things for stage 1. The very important thing is the last date, which is 31st January. So just don't wait for that date, and today only you go and fill the form. And the second important thing is that zone selection. Okay, how to select zone. So there are many zones are there: Ahmedabad, Ajmer, okay, Allahabad, Chandigarh, Bangalore. So all these zones having particular vacancies. So how to select your zone, this is very important, and I'm going to make a separate video for zone selection. Today only I'll upload it so that you can get benefit during filling your form. Okay, so zone selection is very important, so select your zone wisely. And okay, then I hope you like this video, and please share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the complete RRB preparation. Okay, thanks for watching, see you soon.